Factor unfactorable, multiple choice. Justify and select the correct answer. The expression x to the power of 4 plus x squared plus 1 can be written as, there are four choices, x squared plus x plus 1 whole squared, x squared plus x plus 1 times x squared minus x minus 1, and x squared plus x plus 1 times x squared minus x plus 1. And the fourth option is that it cannot be factored. Well, let's try to figure it out. Now, let's start with the term given to us, that is x to the power of 4 plus x squared plus 1. Now, if we really need to factor this, then we are looking for two numbers whose product is 1, right? Let's say the two numbers are p and q. Then we are looking for two numbers whose product is 1, and when we add, we should get 1. Then we say, well, it can be factored. But in this case, what we have is 1 could be only multiplied to itself to give us 1. That's the only way. But when we add, what do we get? We get 2, but not 1. So that is why this particular term becomes very difficult to factor. But there is a way to factor it. The technique is something like this. Since you add them and you get 2, the idea is, why not make it 2 and then try to factor? So what we will do is, we will add and subtract x squared. Right? So we'll add and subtract x squared. So when I do that, what do I get? If I do this, I get x to the power of 4 plus 2x squared minus x. Let me write 1 first and then minus x squared. This is what I get. Now from here, clearly, I can factor these terms, correct? That is a perfect square, which is x squared plus 1 whole square, right? Minus of x squared. Now what do I have? I have difference of square. Now difference of square can also be factored. So I get x squared plus 1 now plus x times x squared plus 1 minus x. Do you see that? That is difference of square. So that is how, if I do this substitution, that means adding and subtracting x squared, I am able to write an expression which is similar to the first one, but in a form which can be factored. Do you see that? Now x to the power 4 plus 2x squared plus 1 is a perfect square, x squared plus 1 whole square, and we have minus x squared on the other side. Now these two terms are like a plus b times a minus b is equals to what? A squared minus b squared. Do you see that? So this is your a, and that is b for you. And so you get a squared minus b squared as x squared plus 1 plus x times x squared plus 1 minus x. Do you see that part? So that gives us a factored form, and from the answer we know part C is correct. So that is how you can get the answer for this multiple choice question. I hope you learn from this and it's useful to you. Thank you.